I got this awesome Fossil Q hybrid watch used the other day. The original watch strap on this watch is quite worn and it will need to be replaced with something new. And the body of the watch has many little micro scratches, but it's okay so long as there are no deep scratches. To get the micro scratches out, I'll be using the Cape Cod metal polishing pads. I will have the affiliate link to this item in the description of this video. This kit comes with a microfiber cloth, gloves, and individually wrapped polishing pads. Alright, to polish this watch, I'm going to first remove the straps. It's got quick release straps. I can just use my nails to simply slide the pins and release the straps. I'm also going to put some gloves on to protect my hands. Next up, I'm going to give the watch a good cleaning with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to make sure I clean between all the crevices. I'm going to get all the dirt and particles out. Okay, it's time. Let's go ahead and pull out one of the polishing pads. These pads have a nice fresh smell to them with the pre-applied polishing compound. I'm going to avoid touching the watch face. And I'm also going to avoid polishing the back of the watch. There's etched information there and it might get polished off. So after spending a few minutes polishing all sides of the watch, I'd say it looks pretty much new. With that done, let's turn our attention back to the straps. As much as I like these straps, I'm going to replace them with these black leather straps instead. These straps come with the pins as well as the required tool. I'll have the affiliate link to this strap in the description of this video as well. After pushing the included pins into the ends of the straps, I'll use the provided tool to slide it into place onto the watch. Same on the other side. I think this basic watch restore came out really nice. My wife is going to love her new watch. Please like and subscribe for helpful videos like this one in the future. Thanks for watching.